It is called the new black gold. Deep within the Earth lies the foundation of the electric revolution.
To power the future, we must first extract the elements that hold the highest energy density known to man. Efficiency starts here. Every gram of material is tracked through an autonomous logistics chain. The journey begins with a reduction in scale, preparing the raw black gold for molecular refinement, pressure, and precision. We break down the Earth to unlock the ions within. Human expertise remains the final gatekeeper for quality in an automated world. Thousands of tons of raw potential are staged here, ready for the next phase of transformation. Safety and purity are maintained in preventing any contamination of the black gold. With the raw materials secured, we move into the heart of the factory, where the alchemy of engineering begins. Precision starts at the gate. Every shipment of black gold is weighed and logged to the milligram. Before unloading, an automated probe takes a cross-section of the cargo to ensure purity and consistency. Chemical integrity is non-negotiable. If the mineral doesn't meet the PENTU standard, it never touches the production line. At the atomic level, we look for the perfect lattice structure required for high-capacity energy storage. With approval granted, the raw material is transferred into our internal vacuum-sealed storage system. Multiple stages of filtration, including magnetic separation, remove even the smallest contaminants. The material is staged in climate-controlled silos, maintaining the perfect humidity for the chemistry to follow. Real-time monitoring ensures that the factory's circulatory system is always balanced and ready. As we move toward the processing floor, the environment becomes even more controlled. Cleanliness is our highest priority. The black gold is now ready. In the next stage, we transform this raw powder into the powerful slurry that the transformation begins here. The raw powder is combined with specialized binders and solvents to create a C. Precision is measured in microliters. This specific chemical recipe is the secret behind PENTU's consistency is everything. A single microscopic clump could lead to a cell failure later in the process. Simultaneously, ultra-thin metallic foils are prepared. These will act as the highway for electricity within the battery. This is the moment of fusion. A layer of active material, thinner than a human hair, is applied with phenolclears. The foil then travels through a 50-meter drying tunnel, where carefully controlled heat evaporates the stordus. Lasers scan every millimeter. We measure thickness to a tolerance of 0.5 microns. Calendaring. Tons of pressure compress the material, maximizing the contact between the particles and the foil. Finally, the wide sheets are slit into precise widths, tailored for the specific dimensions of the battery cell. What began as raw earth is now a high-tech electrode. But the real challenge lies ahead, the assembly of step into the inner sanctum. Here, human intuition and robotic speed combine to assemble the heart of the electric vehicle. Precision at the speed of light. Robots stack hundreds of layers of electrodes, separated by filaments. Our engineers monitor every movement. If the alignment is off by even a hair, the system reeks. No heat, no sparks. Ultrasonic welding creates a molecular bond, ensuring maximum pulse. The black gold is now encased. This aluminum shell is the first line of defense, designed for us. The black gold is now encased. This aluminum shell is the first line of defense, sealing in the power. The cap includes a safety vent, a critical feature for high-performance EV batteries. A permanent, airtight seal. This ensures the chemistry inside remains stable for years of intense use. Even with total automation, our experts perform tactile and visual checks to guarantee perfection. But before they can power a single vehicle, they must undergo the ultimate test of endurance. This is formation. For the next 24 hours, these cells will be charged and discharged. We monitor the first breath of every cell. Every millivolt is tracked to ensure the internal structures. Heat is the enemy of longevity. We use infrared thermography to ensure that energy flows smoothly. An EV battery must withstand a lifetime of vibration. We simulate a decade of rugged Canadian winters. We see what the human eye cannot. X-ray vision ensures the internal layers haven't shifted. Safety is paramount. Each cell is tested for insulation integrity at twice its operating voltage. Only the best move forward. We sort our cells by capacity and internal resistance to create. Human oversight is the final layer of the PENTU promise. Perfection is the only acceptable result. Every cell carries its own digital birth certificate, allowing for 100% traceability throughout its life cycle. Tested, verified, and energized. The black gold is now ready to be bundled into the modules that release. Individually, they are powerful. Together, they are unstoppable. We now Temperature control is the key to longevity. Our integrated cooling plates ensure that the black gold stays. Every module has a brain. The PENTU battery management system monitors every cell, balanced for life. These modules are now a single, rugged unit, ready to withstand the rigors of the road. Now, the scale changes. Multiple modules are integrated into a single massive battery pack, a mark of excellence. Every PENTU pack is a testament to precision engineering and sustainable manufacturing. Logistics is a symphony of heavy lifting and digital tracking.
From our floor to the world, we stage thousands of units ready for rapid deployment to the world.
Precision doesn't end at the factory door. Every PENTU shipment is a climate-controlled operation, ensuring the journey from the Earth to the road is complete. But for the PENTU battery, the real life of service is just beginning. The journey of the black gold reaches its destination, from deep within the Earth to the heart of the modern city. This is more than a battery. It is a masterpiece of engineering, ready to power the next generation. Seamlessly integrated into the vehicle's floor, the PENTU pack provides a low center of gravity and ulplust. The same technology that powers the road now powers the home, storing clean energy. Simple, reliable, life-changing. Charging becomes as second nature as plugging in a smartphone. Intelligence at your fingertips. Every kilowatt is optimized for maximum range and performance. Instant torque, silent power. This is the thrill of the electric revolution, fueled by PENTU engineering. At scale, PENTU technology stabilizes the entire energy grid, making renewable energy a 24/7. Our mission isn't just about batteries. It's about a cleaner world for the generations that follow. Engineering the future, one cell at a time.